Thank you for joining us today at 2cutebeads.com. Today I'm going to show you how we created Peter. Just loving him. Love Easter time means spring's right around the corner. In your kit you received your wire, which is 30 gauge stainless steel. So what we need to do is we need to start with our wire, fold it in half, cut it, fold it in half again, cut it, fold it in half one more time because we need 8 sections to create his ears. So we're going to need 4 for the pink and 4 for the white. So we're going to create our ears first, which is created with the pink Swarovski crystal and the pearl size 11 seed beads. So first I'm going to do my centers, which is just loading on your pink crystal. Fold your wires together even at the bottom. Pinch your bicone up here. Load another bicone on. Take it up. Use either your round nose or your bent nose to pull your wires up tight. And then twist. We need to do this 4 times. So we're going to create 4 of those. Next, we're going to load 11 seed beads on our wire. Bring our wires together. And we need to do this 4 times. So then we assemble all of our ears for a kit by we're going to set our pink inside our white, hold them in the center like this, twist. We only want to twist like 3 times. So that's our first bunny ear. Create our second bunny ear now by doing the same thing. Push everything up in place, bring our wires together. Twist. Making sure you have a good secure twist 3 times. We're going to pull one of our wires down, the others go up, and we nip off the 3 excess wires. Be careful not to nip off all of them. Yeah, now we have our bunny ears. And we can load our bunny ears on our 6mm round. Pull it to the side, both of your wires to the side. Grab your head pin, load your 8mm pearl on. Your rondelle. Load your bunny head on. Push everything in place. Pull up on your sides. Do your earring wrap. Peter's almost done. We're going to cut off our wires. Make sure it's good and pushed down now. Cut off our excess wire from our wrap, making sure not to nip off our ears. You can push them out of the way if you need to. There he is. Now we're going to open. Close. And as you can see here, we use our bent nose as our second hands. We use them for almost everything. But there's Peter, and you can have his ears floppy. Each one has their own personality. Thanks for joining us here at Two Cute Beads. Hope you had fun.